Hi everyone, and welcome to our class on user-generated content versus the official data. It is part of the course on digital investigations in an era of data-driven journalism delivered to you by the European News Press and myself, your author, Anna Romandash. In this class, we're going to be talking about how to use the content that you find through social media and through social discovery, and how to work with the official data that you find through official platforms and governmental related sources. Let's say you're looking for the content on social media. As a journalist, you can request for this information and ask people to send you something, or you can just follow this information through hashtags, location, and other means. Let's say you have found a great deal of great resources that might help you in your investigation. Somebody sharing photos of somebody doing some illegal dealings or stealing or anything else that is important to you. You will have, first of all, to collect all of the data that you find. So you have kind of like a database of all of this information. This is extremely important so you can easily navigate it. Second of all, contact the authors. Ask them if you can use their content and if you have a permission for it, potentially to include in investigation. Therefore, you will have to verify if this content is actually true or not, because you cannot publish something that's fake. So you will have to double check all of this information that you find through social media because it is extremely important for you. You will also have to look for more information. Just social media posts are not enough for your investigation. You will have to find some additional reporting to back up your findings. Afterwards, you will have to look for a focus of your article. What is it that I want to research? What is it that I want to get out of this social media post? What is the main idea of my investigation, and how does this data help me to back it up and to deliver a good idea to my readers? Once you verified the information, got the permission from the authors, got the additional reporting, then you and your team can start working on an actual investigative piece that you can deliver to the people. However, just social media, as I said, is not enough, so I also suggest backing it up with the official data. And while working with official data is somehow different than working with social media posts, your end result will be the same. So first of all, familiarize yourself with platforms where you can find the information on the government, so some official registries. And there's actually a course that you can follow here as well to make you more at home with all of these registries, with all of these platforms. Once you are comfortable using the governmental platforms and you've checked how to work with these websites, then you can start looking for data and analyze it and use it for your own reporting. You can also ask experts to help you make sense of the data that you find out. Once you have found the data, let's say on a spending of your city government, their budget, then you have to read this data, understand this data, talk to an expert about this data, and deliver a report to the people that will be readable and easy to follow. So let's say you found some discrepancies in the data, or you found some samples or examples of corruption in the data, and you also have social media posts to back it up. Now create a report that will be easy enough for the people to follow. Whenever you are reporting on something, make sure that there is a human side to every story. Make sure you understand why your readers would want to follow this information, would care about this information. What is it for them? How is mismanagement of budget money affecting them? Think about it and write about it. And also, always follow up on your stories. There's never a finish to your investigation. Let's say you reported that there was a mismanagement or maltreatment of the governmental money. What happens next? Find out and report afterwards.